For this video, I will discuss on how to determine the equation of the quadratic function given the table of values. So I have here an example of table of values. So the first step is we're going to select any 3 points. So let's just select these 3 points here in the middle. Let's have point 1 as negative 1, 2. Then point 2. Let's have it as 0, 2, the second point here, and the third point as 0.1, 4. Then after selecting 3 points, we're going to use the general form of quadratic function y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, and we're going to substitute all of the x and y's in the 3 points. So our purpose here is we're going to make 3 equations. Then from those equations, we're going to apply elimination so that we can find the values of a, b, and c. So let's have first point 1, negative 1, 2. So we're going to substitute x with negative 1 and y with 2. So we're going to have 2 equals a times negative 1 squared plus b times negative 1 plus c. Negative 1 squared is 1 times a is a. So this will be a here. This is 2. Then b times negative 1 is negative b. Then plus c. This will be our equation number 1. Then let's have equation number 2 from point 2, 0, 2. So y here is 2. So we're going to have 2 equals a times 0, the value of x, 0 squared, plus b times 0 x, then plus c. So 2 here is equal to 0 squared is 0 times a is 0, so cancel. B times 0 is 0, cancel out. Then the remaining here is c equals 2. This will be our equation 2. Then for equation 3, we're going to use 0.314. So we're going to have y4 equals a times the value of x is 1. So 1 squared plus b times 1, then plus c. 1 squared is 1 times a. It will be a. So this is 4 here. A equals a plus b times 1 is b. So plus b, then plus c. Let's have this one as equation 3. If we're going to subtract these 2 equations, we can have the value of b. So we will just subtract equation 1 and equation 3. So equation 1 is 2 equals a minus b plus c. Subtract this one to equation 3, 4 equals a plus b plus c. So 2 minus 4, that will be negative 2. A minus a, 0, cancel. Negative b minus positive b is negative 2b. Then c minus c is 0, cancel. So we're left with negative 2b equals negative 2. Divide both sides by negative 2. We're going to have negative 2 divided by negative 2 is 1. Then this is equal to negative 2b divided by negative 2b. So we now have the value of b. So we have the value of c equals 2, and we also have b equals 1. So we are left with what is the value of a. So to find the value of a, we can use equation 1 or equation 3. So let's try to use equation 3. So equation 3 is 4 equals a plus b plus c. Value of c is 2. Value of b is 1. So we're going to have 4 equals a plus 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Then transpose this one to the left side, it will become 4 minus 3 equals a, and 4 minus 3 equals 1. So a is equal to 1. So we now have the values of a, b, and c. So the last thing to do is we will just substitute this one in the standard or general form. Y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So we're going to have y equals our a is 1. So a 1 times x squared is x squared. Then our b is also 1. So 1 times x is x. So plus x. Then the value of c is 2. So plus 2. So this will be our equation of the quadratic function given this table of value.